So thanks for stopping by, and this is a video that I'm making again. I had made this video about 10 to 12 days back, and you can have a look at that video. This is basically Taiwanese chili. This is not a genetically modified one, so I just wanted to show it to you once again and share with you a couple of things. The price point, where I got it from, and that it was real and not something which is fake. And the health benefits I've already discussed in the other video. You can probably scan through the list of videos that I have online, and which are available to watch, so you can watch those videos. And obviously then I'll let you know other things related to this. So this basically, first of all, you have a look at the new chili that is coming out. So this is not something which you may have thought that is fake or something. No, it is not. This is a Taiwanese chili. There's Chinese one as well, which is smaller in size and thicker in girth. So this one is more like the chilies that you get, something like this. I don't know if I'll be able to show it to you here. Just have a look at the other chilies. Yeah, now you can see. So I basically put both the chilies inside one single pot. So another reason of creating this video was also because I'm repotting these, because they were in plastic poly bags, small ones, hand sized. And of course there are a couple of amazing things about this, that you can use this as something of ornamental value inside of your kitchen garden, or inside of your garden, or terrace garden, or if you have a garden on the ground floor. So these can these can add to the ornamental value of already existing flowers, if you're somebody who loves to grow flowers. Because look at the color of these. Isn't it just lovely purple color? Just look at this. So another great thing about these Taiwanese chilies is that they turn into 5 colors. So this is just the first phase, wherein it is purple. Now it will turn into a yellowish kind of a color, then orangey, and then pinky, to eventually a red color. But the best taste, as is claimed by people, is of the chili which is currently in the purple color. So this is what I wanted to share with you. And also obviously the place and the price. The price is the surprise, and you'll be taken aback. So I took it from a place which was selling it right on the curb of the flyover. So it wasn't a big huge great shop. So they were basically growing it underneath the flyover, which is the Akshardham flyover. So I'm sharing the exact location with you. If you want to know more details about the location, type in the comment section and I'll tell you. So therefore type in the comment section and let me know. So it's the Akshardham flyover, wherein people are actually growing a lot of things underneath the flyover because of the fertility of the soil out there, because it is the Yamuna river. It is still fertile, of course. So anyway, the point is, it's just for rupees 30. Yes, that is the price of this one, not the green chilies. Green chilies I bought just for 10 rupees. This plant of green chilies is for 10 rupees. Just let me show you. That's a different plant. So I put both of them together. So now it's up to you if you want to buy them as an ornamental value. Yes, one more thing I would like to. I did pluck one of these and tasted. They are pretty much same in terms of magnitude of spice. When I say magnitude of spice, I mean magnitude of spice of green versus purple is more or less the same, mainly because of the shape of both the chilies. It's almost similar. There's no difference whatsoever in terms of shape if you look at it, right? So the texture of this one is slightly different while I eat, whereas this one has a coarse sort of a texture. This one has slightly fine texture. So this was my take on the purple chili. If you have any sort of questions, as I said, type in the comment section, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Until then, keep smiling.